GM must be having it rough. How does a company go from being one of the best to blaming EV owners for all their problems? Well, it gets even weirder. In the recent turn of events, the automotive giant has had it all going sideways, and it seems no matter where it turns, problems lie ahead. GM CEO Mary Barra has recently made headlines for suggesting that some of the issues with EVs may be due to user error rather than manufacturing defects. Lots of issues could contribute to the reason GM had terrible sales and lots of trouble in the EV market. But what has changed for the one-time largest automaker in the U.S.? Why does GM CEO blame EV owners for problems with EVs? You will figure that out as you watch this video. After doing some research, it seems that GM CEO Mary Barra has been candid about the challenges facing the EV industry, including slower-than-expected growth and changing consumer demand. While GM had previously set a target of producing 1 million EVs in North America by 2025, Barra has recently indicated that this goal may not be achievable due to a variety of factors. Barra has emphasized that GM's EV strategy will be guided by customer demand and has suggested that the pace of growth in the EV market may not be as rapid as initially expected. General Motors has made significant strides in developing and expanding its electric vehicle lineup in recent years. Some of the current GM EV offerings include the Chevrolet Bolt EV and EUV, a compact electric car that offers a range of up to 259 miles and comes with a variety of advanced safety and technological features. The GMC Hummer EV, an all-electric pickup truck that offers impressive off-road capabilities and a range of up to 350 miles. Then there's the Cadillac Lyriq, a luxury electric SUV that features advanced autonomous driving technology and a range of up to 300 miles. There are so many others we could mention, but the point is that General Motors is no joke in the electric vehicle market. The statement made by the GM CEO blaming EV owners for problems with EVs was made in various contexts, including press conferences, interviews, and public statements. The GM CEO Mary Barra made statements during press conferences and interviews discussing the challenges and future plans for electric vehicles. In one instance, Barra mentioned being disappointed in EV production and emphasized the importance of affordable models to drive option. In another statement, Barra mentioned GM's commitment to transitioning to all-electric vehicle sales by 2035, despite recent delays in EV production. Barra also mentioned the need for GM to grow responsibly and profitably in the EV market. Additionally, there were reports of GM's decision to abandon its goal of building 400,000 EVs by mid-2024 due to lower demand. The statement made by GM is a strong one. But let's do an analysis of the blame game from different perspectives. While the number of public charging stations is growing, there are still many areas where EV owners struggle to find places to charge their vehicles, particularly in rural or less populated areas. Charging an EV can take several hours, depending on the battery size and charging speed, which can be inconvenient for drivers who need to recharge their vehicles quickly. Many EV owners also worry about running out of battery power while on the road, particularly on longer trips or in areas where charging stations are scarce. EVs can be more expensive than traditional gasoline-powered vehicles, which can be a barrier for some consumers. From all these, we can say that even EV owners are struggling with adapting to using electric vehicles. So while the CEO may be right, she is failing to see the other side of the coin, which is the fact that EVs still have a long way to go to be accepted worldwide. And a part of the problem is from the manufacturers themselves. Another part of the problem is that EV users do not fully understand how to use the EVs. There is a lack of knowledge regarding EV maintenance and usage. Like all vehicles, EVs require proper maintenance and usage to operate safely and efficiently. However, many drivers may not be familiar with the unique needs of EVs, which can lead to user errors and a lack of understanding regarding the operation and maintenance. EV owners may not understand how to properly charge their vehicles, leading to reduced battery life or even damage to the charging system. EVs may also display warning signs or error messages that indicate maintenance or repair is needed, but some drivers may ignore these warnings or not understand their significance. EV driving requires some adjustments to driving habits, such as coasting to maximize regenerative braking or avoiding frequent acceleration and deceleration. Drivers who don't adjust their habits may experience reduced range or increased wear and tear on their vehicles. Also, EVs require regular maintenance, such as tire rotations and brake checks, but some drivers may neglect these tasks or assume that EVs don't require the same level of maintenance as traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. As the automotive industry continues to transition towards the electric vehicles, it is crucial for automakers to prioritize the quality and reliability of their EVs. EVs are still a relatively new technology, and many consumers are hesitant to make the switch from traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. By ensuring the quality and reliability of their EVs, automakers can build trust with consumers and encourage more widespread adoption of this technology. EVs have unique safety considerations such as the need for proper battery management and protection from electrical hazards. By prioritizing quality and reliability, automakers can help ensure the safety of their vehicle and protect their customers. EVs have fewer moving parts than traditional gasoline-powered vehicles, which can potentially reduce maintenance and repair costs. By focusing on quality and reliability, automakers can help ensure that their EVs live up to this promise and provide a cost-effective option for consumers. The transition to EVs is a critical component of global efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and combat climate change. By ensuring the quality and reliability of their EVs, automakers can support the growth of this technology and contribute to a more sustainable future. Overall, the responsibility for ensuring the quality and reliability of EVs rests with automakers, who must prioritize these factors in order to build trust with consumers, ensure safety, reduce costs, and support sustainability goals. Despite the challenges that come with owning an electric vehicle, many EV owners have successfully adapted to the technology and overcome these obstacles. EV owners have learned to navigate the various charging options available, from home charging stations to public charging networks. Many have also developed strategies for optimizing their charging habits to maximize range and convenience. EV owners have learned to adjust their driving habits to maximize the efficiency of their vehicles, such as by using regenerative braking or planning routes that avoid steep inclines. Many EV owners have also embraced the advanced technology available in their vehicles, such as smartphone apps that help them locate charging stations or monitor their vehicle's performance. EV owners have even created online communities and forums where they can share tips, ask questions, and support one another in navigating the challenges of owning an EV. While owning an EV, many come with some unique challenges. Many EV owners have found that the benefits of electric vehicles, such as reduced emissions and lower fuel costs, outweigh the costs. In response to the controversy surrounding Mary Barra's comments about EV owners, GM has taken a number of steps to clarify its position and address customer concerns. GM released a statement acknowledging that Barra's comments were insensitive and clarifying that the company is committed to supporting its EV customers and improving the overall EV experience. GM has reached out to EV owners directly to address their concerns and gather feedback on how the company can improve its products and services. It has announced plans to invest in expanding the availability of charging stations and other EV infrastructure in order to address one of the key challenges faced by EV owners. The controversy surrounding GM CEO Mary Barra's comments about electric vehicle owners has important implications for the broader EV industry and the perception of electric vehicles. The controversy has highlighted the need for automakers to be transparent and honest with consumers about the challenges and benefits of EV ownership. Misleading or insensitive statements can erode consumer trust and make it more difficult to encourage widespread adoption of EVs. It also underscores the importance of effective communication between automakers and EV owners. By listening to customer feedback and addressing concerns head-on, automakers can build stronger relationships with their customers and improve the overall EV experience. As we reflect on the recent controversy surrounding GM's comments about EV owners, it's clear that transparency, communication, and collaboration are essential for building trust and driving the growth of the EV industry. By working together to address the challenges facing the industry, automakers and EV owners can help create a more sustainable and prosperous future for all. Let's continue to have these important conversations and work towards a shared vision of a world powered by clean, renewable energy. Together we can make it happen. If you enjoyed this video, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more information on the electric vehicle industry and technology in general. Also, do not hesitate to tell us what you think about the comments. Thanks for watching.